If you ask the wrong question when buying gold and silver, you don't just lose money immediately, you overpay quietly and realize it years later. Here are the 6 questions you must ask before choosing a gold or silver dealer, and the mistake that might cost people tens of thousands. Number 1, why am I buying physical gold or silver right now? If you don't know why you're buying, you'll more than likely buy the wrong thing. Are you buying it for protection? Is it for diversification? Possibly growth, legacy, insurance, or a combination of the above? See, gold and silver are tools. If your dealer doesn't ask you this first, they're giving you their own reasons, or simply in some cases just guessing. Number 2, should I own gold, silver, or both? Gold preserves. Silver tends to move and obviously has a lot more upside, but comes with a little bit more volatility. Any dealer pushing only one metal isn't managing your risk. They're managing their own inventory. Over the years, some of the things that I've heard that some dealers favor one product over another product because it helps their bottom line. Folks, the most important element is for you to make the decision that's best for you. Here's what I suggest. Having a combination of both gives you the flexibility and the option when you need to decide to exit. Number 3, coins or bars. Liquidity matters more than the size. Coins are widely recognized and it's easier to resell. Bars, on the other hand, are cheaper and more efficient for a larger position. Some dealers tell you that bars are reportable and coins are private. I'm here to tell you that it's not entirely true. Dealers are not tax advisors, and they should not be giving or acting as a tax advisor. See, in this video link, there's a resource that shows what is a dealer's reportability requirements when you sell it back. If the resale is not discussed, it's a red flag. Number 4, which type of coin should you choose? Bullion, proof, or collectibles? This is where most people get burned. If you don't understand the product, you can't judge the price. Rarity doesn't always mean more valuable. Collectible doesn't always mean it's more liquid. The 3 types of products are designed for different types of investors. If this is the first time you're making an investment in physical precious metals, you might want to consider starting in the bullion side. Why? Because it gives you the most bang for your buck. You want to focus on products that are widely recognized. The most reputable mints are the United States, the Royal Canadian, the Perth Mint, and the British Mint. Why does this matter? It matters because when you're going to sell it, whoever's going to buy it has the embedded guaranteed from the mint itself for the purity, for the content, for the denomination, the legal tender currency. That in itself gives a lot of confidence for the buyer. So you want to focus on most recognized mints. There are some mints that are not that recognizable, like East India Company or some Germania. Although they make beautiful products, you have to distinguish between, am I buying this for a specific purpose, or do I really like that product? Don't make the mistake of buying a product that looks great to the eye, but it hurts your pocket. Now, proof coins, on the other hand, they're a great looking product. It has been struck multiple times. The definition are a little bit more pronounced. It has a mirror-like finish, and it comes with a certificate of authentication. Be careful. The price differentiation between a 1 ounce regular bullion and a 1 ounce proof in some cases is very huge. So you have to ask yourself, what matters to me? Do I want to maximize my ounce basis? Then the bullion is the right way to go. Versus, do I want to have proof products? The mistake that a lot of first-time investors make, they don't understand what they're buying, why they're buying, and they end up buying the wrong product. In my professional opinion, it might be a mistake if you put all your eggs in a single basket, such as the gold or silver American Eagle proof. You definitely want to learn the difference between bullion, proof, and numismatic. Now, numismatic coins are designed for collectors. If you know what you're doing, if you're trying to collect a specific grade, quality, type of product, then by all means. But do understand the next point, which brings me to my question number 5. What am I paying over spot? See, spot price is public information. Premiums are where trust lives or dies. If a dealer is avoiding that conversation, it's intentional. You, as an investor, should understand the detail. You should understand, what does the buyback look like? What is the spread? When am I going to get the funds back? What is the timing like? All of these things are very important, but it all starts by you understanding, what am I investing, why, and which premium am I comfortable with? Last but not least, number 6, who am I buying from? And can I really trust them? See, you're not buying a metal. You're buying a relationship. Make sure it's the right one. I'm going to help you with the most common mistakes that you can avoid. Number 1, celebrity endorsements. Folks, celebrity does not equal expertise in metals. If anything, it means because of the higher cost of doing business, you might be charged a little bit more. Number 2, top-rated gold IRA affiliate lists. Folks, these are paid placement. This is all about pay to play. They don't vet the company. They don't know if they have any transparent pricing. They don't know about their history. They don't even know about their reputation. Quite frankly, they don't care. Whoever pays the most will be on the top of the list. I can tell you this with a high degree of confidence. Allegiance Gold has been in business since 2017. We've been approached to be on that list. But when we saw the price tag, it's not 1,000, it's not 5,000, it's not 10,000, it's hundreds of thousands of dollars, folks. That raises the cost of doing business, and a dealer has no option but to pass on that cost. What we've learned is that trust, expertise is earned, it's not given. So don't make the mistake of looking at the top 5 IRA companies and deciding to select one of them. Check your options, have a dialogue with few. I can tell you this, there have been companies that were on the list that not too long ago went out of business. As a matter of fact, they took advantage of the investors. If you don't believe me, I have a couple of images to show you. One of them is Oxford Gold Group. The other one is Red Rock Secured. Folks, these companies were on that top 5, top 10 gold IRA companies. I just want you to understand that just because you're on that list, it doesn't mean you passed the muster test. Number 3, sales pressure disguised as expertise. Folks, in this day of an age, information has been democratized. You're no longer dependent on someone else's opinion. Do your diligence and make sure that you are not being pressured and you're making your own well-informed decision. Number 4, here, this is one of my favorite. 25,000 in free metals. Folks, if the offer sounds that incredible, ask yourself, who's paying for it? See, physical gold and silver is very simple. It's not complicated. Bad explanations makes them feel that way. If you want to have a no pressure, educational, conversational based, where clarity first and then decision follows, contact us. Here at Allegiance Gold, we've been in business since 2017 with over 7,000 clients. We have an A+ with the Better Business Bureau, 4.9 stars on Trustpilot. These are from actual clients' reviews. If you want to get the information and get informed before you make a decision, contact us and we look forward to working with you.